I would like to express my thanks to the Honorable CM for dwelling at length to give an insight into the various initiatives, which gives reasons for us to expect more. But here only a few things which, of course, were not part of the discussion, but since has been referred to by the Honorable CM in course of his reply, I would like to only bring it to the notice of this August House so that we share this input collectively and understand the things with correct perspective. Now, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we know that we are all collectively and eagerly waiting for the new assembly building. It will be incorrect to say that it was all the initiative of this government. It is wrong, because the whole process of tendering to decide upon selection of the consultant, and prior to that, even the decision to zero down on the design and architect was decided even before the 2018 election. And for that matter, the government wanted to have the House in confidence and with the Speaker as the chairman of the Empowered Committee. So the Speaker, Honorable Speaker, was the chairman of the Empowered Committee to process the whole initiative in respect of building of this new assembly building is concerned. So what this, after 2008, what happened was only deciding upon the builder itself and starting the work. Even prior to that, there was an allocation of fund. It was a different matter that the government then decided, okay, let us not proceed further because elections have come. We'll decide after election. So this is only for the purpose of the crucial information that I would like to share. Another thing is that, yes, the whole aspirations of the people to have our airport operational has been there. The whole crucial issue was the availability of land. 58 crores were spent for acquisition of land, for expansion of Umroi Airport. Similarly, substantial amount, I don't remember exact amount, was spent also for expansion of Baljek Airport. The money, land acquisition process is a lengthy process, Mr. Deputy Speaker. We completed that most difficult job. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, while I would like to appreciate all the further efforts, both supported by Government of India and facilitated by state government, I think we should keep the records very straight. So while I think this is something which Honorable CM should also share as and when he talks about these important projects.
Thank you. Janet.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister for making effort to give extensive reply and response to our submission. But having said this, in the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I could see he was trying to compare and rather responding to the points that we have submitted. He was trying to speak in the air without basing on the facts and figures. I doubt. So randomly, I just selected 2 points. In his DISA meeting, he has found National Old Age Pension Scheme till 2 years also people were not getting, because he is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is not in the opposition. So it should be his every word that he utters should be based on facts and figures, sir. Just clarification. It is just clarification. I have the right to seek any clarification. Even the caste certificate, to issue caste certificate, it took 1 year. In which it took 1 year. I would like to get categorical reply by the Honorable Chief Minister, because it is the habitual of this Honorable Chief Minister to point out like this, comparing
I have a
without
point of
basing,
order
not
with
basing on the
under
facts and
300, sir.
figures. And, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the submission made by the Honorable Member from Fulbari.
Sir, under Rule 300, sir, I'd like to raise a point of order.
Give my submission, sir.
Okay, okay.
Mr.
Sir,
S.G. Esmatul Mominin, in his submission, was referring to the incident due to ambush in 2005. It is a closed chapter. Judicial inquiry was done and completed. But if I speak the truth, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am just talking. Let me talk about. I am not scared. That is why I am speaking. If I would have been scared, I would just keep quiet. I would just keep quiet.
Why are you scared?
If I am scared.
Why are you scared?
This is high time that I will
Why
respond to
can't
your
we discuss?
accusation.
Why can't we discuss?
Let me submit, sir. Let me submit.
Please,
It is not the place to play politics. Chief Minister himself has said that to keep politics aside. It is because of malicious and
Please, yes.
political conspiracy made by certain politicians.
We're lost. Why you are scared of discussing this?
I am not scared.
You are scared.
If I would have been scared, I would keep quiet, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, you could carry on, but
People are
please
watching.
be calm, please be calm. Please be calm, please be calm.
Is it the procedure,
Please
sir?
be calm now, don't repeat, please go on.
After my submission, let them speak also.
Yeah.
Point of order under Rule 300, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, that's what I said.
In any motion or any discussion, members who have participated in the discussion only can participate further to seek any clarification. I did not see the honorable member from William Nagar participating in this particular short duration discussion. I don't know whether he participated. He can also seek clarification. No. Deputy Speaker, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would request
Denying
you
the
to
honorable members,
allow me
Please
to,
listen to me, sir. Yeah.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think,
It's better we close it. There's no need to move further, sir. We have got a whole business of the government to work, so the supplementary demands need to be passed. Sir, I would urge, all that has happened, let us just leave that. Let us move forward. We are all
I hope-
responsible members. I don't think we need to continue with this. So this is a short duration. I urge you, sir, to use your wisdom
hope-
to continue with the other members.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think there is no space for us to demonstrate our emotions in this August House. It is not necessary.
Yeah, that's why I have
So
already.
whenever any concern is to be flagged, let every honorable member of the August House take recourse to the available space provided by the rules of procedure and conduct of business and do so. That is my submission.